Do you have some extra pounds that you want to lose fast? Do you want some delicious ways you can burn fat and speed up the female metabolism? If so, make sure you watch this entire video until the end because inside you're going to discover 4 delicious ways to use chia seeds to kickstart fat burning. Benefits of chia seeds. Chia seeds are a powerful fat-burning superfood that any woman looking to lose weight should include into her diet. Here's why chia seeds are so powerful for weight loss and overall health. 1. Chia seeds are naturally low in carbs and high in fiber, meaning that your digestive system remains healthy while ingesting minimal carbohydrates. 2. Chia seeds are one of the highest quality types of plant-based protein, calcium and omega-3 fatty acids. This plant-based protein helps to balance out your fat-burning hormones so your body can burn fat more efficiently. 3. They work great as a high-quality, natural pre-workout solution. Substitute high-sugar foods and energy drinks for chia seeds before a workout to experience clean, focused energy. 4. Chia seeds can absorb 10 times their weight in water. This means they expand in the stomach with water, leaving you feeling full and satisfied despite having eaten very few calories. To experience the amazing fat-burning benefits of chia seeds, try these 4 delicious fat-burning drinks made from chia seeds. 1. Chia coconut water. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 250 milliliters of coconut water and mix. 2. Chia green tea. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds into a cup of green tea and mix together. 3. Chia green smoothie. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to a green smoothie. To discover the best-tasting green smoothie powder available that goes perfect with chia seeds to make a potent fat-burning drink, go to www.femalefatburningsecrets.com/Organifi or click the link in the description below. 4. Chia chilled coffee. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to chilled black coffee. Add some cream for extra taste, avoid milk for the best fat-burning benefits. Add a few cubes of ice to the coffee for a refreshing and powerful fat-burning drink you can enjoy on a hot day. Start incorporating chia seeds into your diet today by trying one of these 4 delicious chia seed drinks that will boost your metabolism and help kick those hunger cravings. If you're serious about burning your stubborn body fat fast, and would like to discover the one veggie you need to stop eating to lose 1 pound of belly fat every 72 hours, then go to www.femalefatburningsecrets.com/free-video. Or click the link in the description below. Inside this free video, you will discover how Sharon, a 43-year-old overweight mom from St. Louis, Missouri, dropped 41 pounds of stubborn belly fat by cutting out 1 veggie from her diet. To watch the free video, go to www.femalefatburningsecrets.com/free-video. Or click the link in the description below right now.